Building a WordPress website can feel overwhelming at first, especially when it comes to picking the right hosting service. With so many options out there, how do you choose one that's reliable, feature-packed, and most importantly, affordable? Well, today we're going to explore some of the cheapest WordPress hosting services, Bluehost and Hostinger. Bluehost is widely regarded as one of the best hosting platforms for WordPress, offering affordability without compromising on features. As we go through this breakdown, we'll also talk about Hostinger, which is a strong alternative. But let's start by focusing on why Bluehost is the go-to for many WordPress users. One of the major selling points of Bluehost is its long-standing reputation in the hosting world. Bluehost is officially recommended by WordPress.org, which tells you a lot about how well their service integrates with WordPress. This kind of endorsement speaks volumes about its reliability, user-friendliness, and value for the price. One of the standout features of Bluehost is its use of AI-powered tools. The AI helps streamline the process of getting your WordPress site up and running, even if you're not super tech savvy. This is perfect for people who are beginners and might feel overwhelmed by the technical aspects of starting a website. Bluehost offers an intuitive site builder powered by AI, which makes creating a website easier than ever. The AI helps guide you through every step of the process, from design to functionality. Bluehost doesn't just help you build your website, it also helps you maintain it. With automated updates and plugin management, you don't have to worry about manually updating your site, which can leave your website vulnerable if you miss an important update. When you first sign up for Bluehost, the AI onboarding tool makes the entire setup process simple, even if you've never built a website before. This use of AI is a game changer for WordPress beginners. It helps to simplify complex tasks so that you can focus on your content and not get lost in the technical details. Affordable pricing options. Affordability is one of the reasons that Bluehost is often chosen by first-time WordPress users. Let's take a closer look at Bluehost's pricing options. Here's a breakdown of Bluehost plans. We have the basic plan priced at $199 per month with a renewal price of $799 per month. So if you're just starting with a single website, then the basic plan is more than enough to get your WordPress site up and running. At just $199 per month, this is a fantastic entry point for beginners. Next is the Plus plan priced at $399 per month with a renewal price of $1199 per month. So for those who are managing multiple sites, then the Plus plan offers more room to grow. Plus it comes with email marketing tools so that you can start building your email list right out of the gate. Then there's a Choice Plus plan at $399 per month, which renews at $13.99 per month. So the Choice Plus plan is perfect for users who want to scale up their website's performance. Not only do you get more storage and bandwidth, but you also benefit from additional security features like domain privacy and staging tools for testing updates or changes before making them live. Then there's the Pro plan, priced at $9.99 per month and renews at $20.99 per month. So for those with more demanding websites, the Pro plan offers top-tier performance with more storage, priority support, and multi-site management features. It's great for larger businesses or websites that expect a lot of traffic. If you want to get started with Bluehost and get the best pricing possible, then be sure to use the link down in the description. So one of the best perks that comes with Bluehost is that you get a free domain for the first year. This saves you the hassle and cost of purchasing a domain separately. On top of that, every Bluehost plan includes free SSL certificates to secure your site, ensuring that visitors know their data is safe when they visit your website. What's more, you also get a content delivery network or CDN for free, which helps improve the speed of your site. WooCommerce integration for e-commerce. Are you planning to sell products or services on your WordPress website? Well, Bluehost makes it incredibly easy with built-in WooCommerce integrations. If you're unfamiliar with WooCommerce, it's one of the best e-commerce platforms that runs on WordPress. Bluehost has optimized their platform for WooCommerce, meaning that you can start your online store with minimal setup. Cloud hosting with 100% uptime SLA. For users who need more advanced hosting features, Bluehost cloud hosting plan is an excellent option. It guarantees 100% uptime so that you can be sure that your site will always be live and accessible to your visitors. With cloud hosting, your website is distributed across multiple servers, which reduces the likelihood of your site going offline due to server issues. The performance is also more robust, meaning faster load times, which is crucial for user experience. 24/7 customer support. No matter how user-friendly a hosting platform may be, there's always a chance that you'll run into an issue or just have a question. That's why Bluehost 24/7 support is such a valuable feature. So whether you prefer to chat, email, or call, their customer support team is available around the clock to help resolve any issues. They also offer pro design live support, where WordPress experts are available on demand to assist with your site. Hostinger, a solid alternative to Bluehost. While Bluehost is the main focus of this video, it's worth highlighting Hostinger as a powerful, cost-effective alternative. Known for its balance of affordability, features, and performance, Hostinger is a strong contender in the WordPress hosting space. Here are several reasons why Hostinger is worth considering. One of Hostinger's standout advantages is its incredibly affordable pricing. Plans start as low as $2.99 per month, offering incredible value for users, especially when compared to some other hosting services in the market. But it's not just the price that makes Hostinger attractive. It's the features packed into even their entry-level plan. For $2.99 per month, users get 100 websites, perfect for those managing multiple projects, small businesses, or even personal blogs. Comes with 100 gigabytes of SSD storage, which ensures fast data retrieval and smooth browsing experiences for your visitors. Comes with a free domain with annual plans, which is a significant perk, especially for new website owners who want to secure a professional web presence without additional cost. Free SSL and CDN. These are essential features that enhance both security and performance. SSL protects your website, and CDN, or the Content Delivery Network, ensures fast load times for global visitors. Weekly backups. Automatic backups give peace of mind, knowing that your website data is secure and retrievable if something goes wrong. Hostinger's competitive pricing makes it a go-to choice for those looking to manage multiple sites without burning a hole in their pocket. AI-powered tools for easy website creation. Hostinger's embrace of AI technology sets it apart from many traditional hosting services. Its AI website builder is designed to make creating a website faster and easier than ever before. With the AI website builder, you can generate a fully functional, search engine optimized website in minutes. You'll also have access to 150 customizable templates and a drag and drop editor that allows you to tweak and design as needed without any technical know-how. But Hostinger doesn't stop there. Their AI suite also includes AI SEO tools. These tools help ensure that your site ranks better on search engines, driving more organic traffic to your website. AI blog generator. For users who need content in a hurry, this feature can create SEO optimized blog posts, helping to keep your website active with fresh content. AI heat maps. This shows where visitors are clicking and spending the most time on your site, enabling you to optimize your layout for better user engagement. These AI-driven features are designed to make your website more efficient, competitive, and user-friendly, even if you're a complete beginner in web development. Global data centers for faster performance. Hostinger ensures that no matter where your audience is located, they will experience top-tier website performance. With data centers spread across the globe, Hostinger makes it easy for your website to connect with the closest server, reducing latency and increasing page load speeds. Whether your target market is local or international, the ability to choose from multiple data centers can significantly improve your website's performance, ensuring quick and seamless access for your users. Industry-leading security and 99.9% uptime. Security is a critical factor in choosing a web host, and Hostinger takes it seriously. They provide multiple layers of security, including DDoS protection, malware scanning, and integration with Cloudflare for additional security and performance optimization. Hostinger also guarantees a 99.9% uptime, which means your website will be live and accessible to visitors almost all the time, a crucial factor for businesses and bloggers who depend on consistent availability. Customer support is a cornerstone of Hostinger's service. They offer 24/7 customer support through chat and email with a team that's available to help no matter where you are in the world. Their support is provided in multiple languages, ensuring smooth communication and quicker resolutions for users from different regions. Hostinger's customer service team is known for their responsiveness, with typical response times being under 2 minutes. Now, if you want to get started with Hostinger and you want to get the best pricing possible, then click the link down below and follow along. When you click the link down in the description, it's going to bring you to this page here, where all you need to do is click on Start Now and choose from one of Hostinger's 3 different plans: the Premium, Business, or Cloud Startup. Now, for most of you watching, the Premium plan is going to be more than enough. So go ahead, click on Choose Plan, and the next thing you're going to do here is go ahead and select the term that you want to initially commit to. There's a 1 month, 12 month, 24, or 48 month option. In this example, we'll just go ahead and select 12 months. Now, the last thing that you want to do here in order to get the best pricing possible is in the coupon code area here, just type in my first website and click apply. And you'll see for only $32.29, you're going to get a full year of web hosting through Hostinger. Again, if you want to get started with the best pricing possible for Hostinger, click the link down in the description and use code MyFirstWebsite at checkout. Hostinger also comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you want to try it out and see if it's for you, you can do so and make a decision within the first 30 days. So both Bluehost and Hostinger offer affordable, feature-packed options for WordPress hosting. However, if you're looking for the best balance of price, features, and performance, then Bluehost is going to be an excellent choice. It's easy to use, comes with AI-powered tools, and offers some of the best value on the market for WordPress hosting. On the other hand, if you're looking for a strong alternative, Hostinger provides competitive pricing, a lot of AI-driven features, and a user-friendly interface, making it a great option for those on a budget. So if you're ready to get started with either Bluehost or Hostinger, you'll find links down in the description. Now, these are affiliate links, which means that we do earn a small commission commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. In fact, you're going to get the best pricing possible when you use those links. Your support through these links helps keep the channel going and allows us to continue creating free content like this. So if you choose to sign up through our links, we genuinely appreciate your support. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we make videos on creating websites, exploring different website builders, discussing domain names, and so much more. So be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.